Movie theater style popcorn at home, only better. This isn't fake butter, this is real butter and real salt. All it takes is a little oil, some quality kernels from, well, Mr. Redenbacher. Then you just season it up any way you want. I also went ahead and I made some microwave popcorn too by Mr. Orville Redenbacher, and we're gonna taste them side by side. So let me show you how to make this delicious popcorn at home. I'm Dave, you're watching Dave Taste Buds, and welcome back. Making movie theater style popcorn at home is easy to do.
Make some popcorn.
Popcorn, really? Cool.
Don't freak out, it's so simple. You're talking 2 ingredients, a 1/4 cup of the popping oil and 1/2 cup of the kernels, and then season it with whatever you want. But there's a trick to it, And I'm also gonna make some Orville Redenbacher microwave popcorn too, and I'm gonna test them side by side to see which one is better. So Orville Redenbacher is all over this episode, so reach out to me, Orville.
It's probably not gonna happen.
So the first thing we're gonna do is get our pan nice and hot. So we're gonna take our popping oil. We're literally gonna take a 1/4 cup of that. I'm gonna put that right in the bottom of our pan. This is 1/2 cup of high quality kernels. Now here's the trick. Just to make sure you're ready to go, we're gonna put 3 kernels in there. That's it. We're gonna put our lid on and we're gonna give it just a minute or 2. And as soon as those pop, then we know it's good to go. The oil's nice and hot, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna dump everything in. So while we're waiting for this to pop, just let me tell you. Oh, I heard it pop already. Make sure you have your bowl ready. So now that we've heard those 3 pop, we're gonna throw the rest of them in. We're gonna give it a quick swirl. And then any second, you're just gonna start hearing all of these kernels start to pop.
Yes! Yes!
Every once in a while, just give it a shake. Ah, see that? Delicious right out of the pot. Say goodbye to sad little kernels that don't get popped, and certainly say goodbye to burnt ones too. And just like the stuff in the microwave, as soon as you start to hear it stop popping, you're good. Take it off, give it a nice shake. Yeah, good to go. Ready? Look at that. Perfect popcorn. How easy was that? Perfect. I'm gonna set this aside. So now that we got this popped, looking real good, BTW, we're gonna go ahead. I like to melt down for this much. This is a whole stick of butter. You probably don't need all of it. We're just gonna give it a shake while we drizzle our butter in here. Yeah, I'm not gonna use all this, that's overkill. Make sure we get all that in there. Then we're just gonna hit it with some salt. Nice. Now that this is ready, let's go microwave this one. Looking pretty good there, Orville. So as you can see, we got our microwaved popcorn, which actually looks pretty good. And then we got the popcorn that we made at home. So let's see. Now don't get me wrong, microwave popcorn, pretty good. And in a pinch, it's 2.5 minutes long. This, now the thing with this is you can season this any way you want. You could do something sweet and do, cinnamon and sugar. You could do whatever you want. You could put chili powder on here. You could put tahini on here.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
There's a lot of different things you can do with this, but straight out of the gate, butter, a little salt. In less than 10 minutes total, you're ready to go. So make yourself a bowl of this, sit down, watch a bunch of YouTube videos. Speaking of that, I got this great video up here. You're gonna wanna check that out. Please subscribe, like this video if you wanna see more content from me or any video like this. And yeah, once you're done, like, subscribe, watch this one. And then once you're done doing all that, go pop something.